Lee, if you can set down again, we're going to swap batteries one more time.
Okay, am I clear to my front?
Clear, the drone is up here with me, so you guys are all clear.
Clear. I'll go fall in with Bruce and Mike. Bruce, I've got eye on you. I'm just going to start a left turn so I can get here and keep you at my 1 o'clock.
All right, we'll just fly straight ahead.
I'm at your 9, 10, 11, or sorry, 9, 8.
I know what you meant.
Actually, I've got a tail cam on. I don't know if it's got a battery, but I'm going to fall in behind you here for a sec.
All right, slight left turn I'm doing, then I'll go straight up. What speed do you want me at?
You're perfect. You can maneuver just anything you want. I'm right on your 6.
I'll drop down a little lower.
Sweet. I'm going to come slightly on your right side here. See if I can get you in my Insta 360 view. Oh, you look good.
That's going to be some good footage.
Wow, it is so beautiful out here today.
Yeah, that's pretty stunning. Amazing place you guys have.
Right?
I got room to do a 180 to the left.
You sure do.
Here I come.
Tighten up your turn a little bit if you can. Oh, it's so sick. And if none of my cameras are getting it, my brain is having a delightful experience.
That's what it's all about.
How are you guys on fuel and bladder?
I think we're good.
I'm going to head back towards my boys here.
Okay.
They might have a drone battery in the air now. I'm at your, I think you see me 3 o'clock.
Gotcha.
All right, Jake, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
I am back.
All right, go to the base of the waterfall, please.
Copy, base and waterfall. Whoops, I'm at the wrong waterfall.
Take a right, second waterfall to the right, straight on till morning.
Okay. And I'm down pretty low, so I should be out of your way.
We have not taken off yet.
Okay.